Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day. So for today, we are going to learn about a new thing, which is for loops. So for this session, thank you for joining and thank you for watching this YouTube channel. So again, my name is Muhammad Shivram Danasani. So for today, we are going to share about how to make a code for loops. Okay, so on the first cell here, I have arranged it as a node. So I set this code as a markdown. So you can see here. So we are going to prepare a code, yeah, for example, and then for this loop, we start with we are creating a list, yeah, which is we have learned in the previous class or in the previous session. So for example, I put a list starting from an even list number starting from 0 until 20, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 20. Okay, so you have to be remember that we are going to use a bracket for this one because this is a list, and then we are not going to use the parentheses. Okay, so for this one, we want to have a list of uh, even number. So for example, so if we want to print it or we want to show it the list as what we have registered here, so it is there. Okay, now we would like to have a loop a code so that the uh, even number, the list of the even number starting from 0 until 20 can be printed, yeah, uh, one by one, starting from 0 until 20. So this is the code. So in order for us to check whether can we print this one, the even number, we have to put this code for n in even. So this even is the one that we have even list that we have registered. Yeah, and then we want to print it. Print n. Okay, I just want to put print n. Okay, so you have to take note, we can use n here, and then which is a number of uh, even number in the list, even list. So in this case, it is not necessarily to use the n, but we can also use other alphabet. Yeah? So in this case, I would like to share to use n because generally, if we are doing our work as in the statistic, we will use a number as n. So we want to print this uh, n in the list of that even. Okay, so we can try. So we can see here the number, even number will be printed starting from 0 until to 20, um, uh, but it's not in the vertical, yeah, vertical way, but it is not in the one line, in a single line. So if we want to do it, we can use this the similar coding, for example. So here, but after we have that word print n, we can put end and equal to quote and unquote, and then you have to put a space here. Okay, so we can try. So we can see here the even number are the even numbers are printed in a single line. Okay, if we don't amend, and you have to take note, we use a space between this quote and unquote uh, symbol, but if we don't use it, we will get a list of even number side by side without space. Okay? So this is what we have learned about today, and then this shall be used if we want to have a string of numbers, for example, in this case. Okay, so I think that's all from me. We shall meet again in other session, in other video. Okay, thank you for joining this session. And if you think that this sharing is beneficial to all of you, please subscribe to the Catalytics. Thank you again, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you again in the next video.